Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspirational Hub. We're excited to share beautiful woodworking ideas inspired by Wabi Sabi, celebrating imperfection and natural beauty. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips, DIY projects, and inspiring decor ideas. Stay tuned and let your creativity flourish with us. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. Today, we're exploring the beautiful philosophy of Wabi Sabi and how it beautifully influences woodworking craft ideas. Wabi Sabi is a Japanese aesthetic that finds beauty in imperfection, impermanence, and simplicity. It encourages us to embrace the natural flaws and irregularities in materials, especially wood. This philosophy can transform ordinary wooden pieces into stunning, meaningful decor that radiates authenticity and tranquility. Whether you're a seasoned one of the simplest yet impactful woodworking ideas inspired by Wabi Sabi can elevate your projects and bring a calming, rustic charm to your home. Wood with natural knots, delve into some inspiring ideas that celebrate the imperfect. These trays can hold candles, wood, and learn how to create everyday essentials that reflect Wabi Sabi's adding a touch of earthy elegance to any space. The key is to leave the wood as it is, highlighting its natural imperfections. Sand lightly to preserve the texture, and finish with a matte sealant to protect without hiding the rustic charm. This project encourages appreciating nature's raw beauty and adds a warm, organic feel to your decor. It's perfect for those who love functional art with a story behind every crack and knot. Next, consider making handcrafted wooden bowls or plates. Wabi Sabi emphasizes the beauty of asymmetry and irregularity. So embrace uneven edges and natural grain patterns. Use a simple carving or turning technique on the lathe, and avoid perfect symmetry. Finish with natural oils to enhance the wood's texture and color. These bowls serve as unique decorative pieces and functional tableware that embody the Wabi Sabi philosophy. Each piece becomes a conversation starter, reminding us to find beauty in imperfection and to cherish the uniqueness of each creation. They also make thoughtful, handcrafted gifts for loved ones. Another inspiring project is creating minimalist wooden wall art. Use reclaimed or driftwood pieces, arranging them in asymmetrical patterns or freeform designs. The natural textures and irregular shapes evoke a sense of calm and authenticity. Mount these on a simple backdrop or directly on the wall for a striking focal point. The beauty lies in the imperfections, knots, cracks, and uneven edges, highlighting nature's artistry. This type of decor can complement various interior styles, from rustic to modern minimalism. It's a perfect way to incorporate Wabi Sabi into your home with an easy-to-make piece that celebrates natural beauty. Wabi Sabi also inspires the creation of imperfect wooden frames for photographs or mirrors. Use reclaimed wood with visible grain, knots, and cracks. Keep the imperfections visible rather than hiding them, and lightly sand the edges for a handcrafted feel. Finish with a natural oil or wax to preserve the rustic look. These frames add character and warmth to your displays, making every piece feel personal and authentic. They remind us that beauty is often found in the flaws, and that imperfections can be part of the charm and story of a piece. For those who enjoy functional decor, consider making a Wabi Sabi inspired wooden ladder or bookshelf. Use natural, unrefined wood with rough edges and visible grain. Assemble with simple joinery, avoiding perfect symmetry or smooth finishes. The goal is to highlight the natural imperfections and irregularities. Such pieces add a rustic, cozy touch to any room while serving a practical purpose. They promote sustainable craftsmanship by repurposing reclaimed wood and celebrating the imperfect beauty of natural materials. These projects remind us that functional objects can also be artistic expressions of Wabi Sabi. Wooden candle holders or lanterns are another wonderful idea. Use rough-hewn wood with visible knots and grain patterns. Carve or assemble simple structures that let the natural imperfections shine through. Finish with natural oils or wax for a soft, warm glow that complements the rustic aesthetic. When lit, these candle holders create a calming ambience, emphasizing the beauty of imperfection through flickering light and natural textures. They're perfect for adding a cozy, meditative atmosphere to your space, embodying the Wabi Sabi principle of finding beauty in simplicity and transience. Incorporating Wabi Sabi into furniture design is a rewarding venture. Craft a small side table or stool using reclaimed wood with visible flaws. Keep the surface rough or lightly sanded to preserve character. Use simple, sturdy joinery that highlights craftsmanship rather than perfection. These pieces can be intentionally imperfect, slightly uneven legs or a natural crack, adding charm and authenticity. Such furniture pieces serve as functional art, reminding us that beauty is found not in flawlessness but in the honest expression of natural materials and craftsmanship. Wabi Sabi also inspires the creation of decorative wooden sculptures or abstract art pieces. Use irregularly shaped wood pieces, leaving natural cracks, splits, and textures intact. Assemble or carve them into organic shapes that emphasize their raw beauty. Finish with natural oils to enhance the textures and colors. These sculptures can be placed on shelves or tables, serving as contemplative art that celebrates imperfection. Such art pieces embody the Wabi Sabi philosophy by respecting the natural state of wood and finding aesthetic value in its imperfections.